See, I'm interested for both of them. It's just that cultural secretary would be. Uh, I'm interested more towards cultural secretary because all the events that I've participated in ISA, like I've like participated, so I know how Vidya worked and everything. So I'm like, and I've been a cultural secretary back in college, so I've been closely involved in what I've done in college. That's why I just wanted.
So you think you're not the right person for president?
Not like that. I definitely know because I was the cultural secretary in my school and I was the chief coordinator in my college. So I have worked even like the tech fest that happens in college and everything. I've been the chief coordinator. So I wouldn't say exactly. It can be differences like the process over here and the process over there. I know there's a lot of responsibility when it comes to a president and everything, but I strongly feel I qualify for both.
You knew this was going to come, but are you graduating in spring or something?
For now, I feel that I would graduate in spring, but then if I get a job, then I would.
Let's say you're the president,
Okay.
and you got a job.
Okay.
You're going to leave it.
Yes.
So you think you're capable of contesting for president because you're leaving it in.
The thing is, right now I do not know about it, like so.
But you're still
I
skeptical
want
about
to be
it.
in the position because I want to do few things because as an intern, I know I was out of the board and everything. I couldn't be a part of ISA and I want to do something for ISA because I've seen how Raghu and you and Vidya have worked and I really liked it. So I wanted to do something like that. That's why being a president, I know I would have more responsibilities. Any initiative that would be taken. Like being a cultural secretary, I cannot do a lot of things that a president
Yeah,
can
but
do.
you cannot leave in between. That's the point.
I know if I cannot leave in between, then yeah.
What would you do? What would you do if you are elected as the president and you have a job in December?
I would take the job.
Okay, that's it. That's the answer. That's the answer. Cut it. Okay.
Then you might make you vice president.
Yeah, exactly. I would just make sure that someone responsible is doing it. But do you have an option like that?
I wish you
that
got
I
a
cannot-
job in
We'll
December.
talk about it. Yeah. Go on, Ravi. Kiran, Ravi. Yeah.
So, for example,
How focus?
from the
Focus are very
president,
distance is
and
called.
there's a cultural event that's coming up. So, because of your experience of cultural secretary and everything, you try to become the dominant of the cultural presence of cultural secretary.
Okay.
And he or she doesn't like it. So, how do you handle it? Do you still want to be the dominant person because you've experienced it?
No, I wouldn't be a dominant person. Like I would give the cultural secretary suggestions that I would want to suggest. I wouldn't obviously go and tell the cultural okay do this and not this. I would just give it like a suggestion and I would make sure it's not like a possibility.
So if it doesn't happen, and you are the president, you say that I'm the president, you have to listen to me.
I don't think I would behave like that. I would just give a suggestion, like see.
So you're
if I'm not
Sure.
okay-
No argument, boy.
Yeah. If I'm not okay
Yeah.
with something that a cultural secretary is doing, I feel that something better could be done. I would put it in a way that the cultural secretary agrees to it, like that yeah okay if I say something, if the cultural secretary feels that could be a better way, I would discuss it with all my board members. If all the board members are okay with it, then yeah.
Even if they're not okay, your call is the final call.
If my board members are not okay with it, then I would take a back.
Yeah, but if
Take a
you
step
want
back.
it badly, you can still call for it.
Yeah,
That's
okay. But I just want to avoid all the conflicts. Because of that, I would take a step back.
How many of the contestants do you know? Apart from your friend, yeah. How many?
I know Kiran, I know Ravi, I know Farindra, like apart from your friend, he meant you. Poonam.
Okay. So,
I don't know you guys personally. Yeah.
So, suppose you become the president,
Okay.
and suppose Fani is not there, Poonam is not there,
None of
Ravi
these
is
people
not
are
there.
Okay.
Suppose.
Okay.
How are you going to coordinate? How are you going to coordinate as a group?
I'm good at making friends. I'm good at communicating.
No.
So
Suppose.
I can make friends with people. Like, yeah.
No follow-up questions, boy.
Sampath.
Sampath.
Okay. In general, before doing any work,
Silence, guys.
Silence, guys.
Nikhil Korapati.
Sampath.
before doing any work, we have this culture of taking reference, right? So how much you are going to depend on your previous committee on any kind of work? Okay, I'll make it simple. Are you going to bug your seniors for any kind of event you're organizing or for any information?
No.
That's first question.
Okay.
Okay, and the other thing is, regarding the punctuality, what I was asked other people. So how you will make sure that the people who are coming here are punctual on their work?
See, if I would like to have like regular meetings about like how this thing is going on, general body meeting, I would like something like this to go on, timely, probably once in 10 days or once in 2 weeks or something like that, where all the board members meet. And if they feel that, someone is not punctual, it's going to come on the table and, everyone's going to know who is not being punctual. So I feel if there's going to be a good communication, like if there's no communication gap between the board members, we can avoid such situations.
So the first part is like you're not going to depend on your previous members.
No, I wouldn't. Like, see, I would obviously take suggestions from them.
That's what called dependency in my opinion.
No, it's not dependency. It's taking suggestions is not dependency. Yeah, I would obviously ask Raghu. For everything, probably I would give him a call. Once, if I give him a call and ask, okay, how did you do this? How did you do that? That is not called dependency.
If Raghu doesn't answer,
That's what my
Then
question.
I'll call you.
Okay, I'll tell you that without the help of alumni, you cannot do any events because you don't. There are 1,000 things. Wow, silent. There are 1,000 things which you don't know, so you cannot do it without dependence.
Yeah.
Or the suggestion that you should have dependence.
Exactly.
I cannot conduct elections on the next day without the help of Bashir.
Yeah.
I'm telling you. So
Okay, one last thing, okay? So in your agenda, your priority will be to add new events, or you want to conduct the events which are existing perfectly without any obstacles. So is that
Obviously, see, these guys are maintaining really good standards, and Raghu gives 200%, Vidya gives 200%, Sanjay gives 200%, and I know that. So I would obviously try to match it, to their levels. And all the things that I have in my head, like if whatever I would have done in college, like obviously we have done a lot more. It's not that. See, I keep telling you guys. Yeah. So whatever. Okay, yeah. Whatever like themes I have in my head, like whatever I would have done back in college, or the videos that I keep watching and everything, if I feel something new has to be added, I would definitely do that. Both, because obviously you have to like do something new, right, for improving the standards.
Yeah.
That is by
Nikhil.
default.
your question.
Yeah, you said you'll introduce new events. So are those events going to be like dance and music, everything? Same as
What are those
events?
events?
What?
Do you want to know, apart from dance and music, if I'm going to conduct
What are the
anything else?
events?
Take some major ideas.
Give some
New
ideas.
ideas.
I see, that's what I'm telling you. Like they just mentioned, like I mentioned new events as to be 2 different club members, like music and dance. So I would be obviously conducting, like the music and dance club can have a show, right? Like a music club can have a show, dance club can have a show, romantics club can have a show. These
Anything
can
besides the
no
art
follow-up question.
Okay, apart from that, see, I have mentioned in my document. I mentioned in my document also that I would want to conduct more social gatherings where the regionalism thing could be reduced. I feel because I think only one potluck happened, and apart from that, if we can conduct like more social gatherings where we can make people come, and the only way people will come is if there is food. And I'm pretty sure like a lot of us want to remove this regionalism feeling, and if few people can take initiative of cooking and not asking people to make, and if people are gonna like if few people want to like remove this thing, if they can take an initiative and cook and get food in the social gathering, I'm pretty sure a lot of people are going to come, and that way people will mingle with each other and this thing can be reduced.
Shalmali.
Yeah, other than this, like potluck, I don't, means I am not sure about this. The fall is pretty busy. That I don't think you can arrange like many more social gatherings with the food. But the thing is, like apart from that, suppose like for that kind of social gathering, not everybody is gonna come. Like we have 500 people around the campus. Yeah. So apart from that, what kind of suggestions you have that will remove the regionalism? Because if suppose you are elected as a president, your board members will have like most of the other people. Like it will represent like an entire part of India, and you don't have to, you don't want to favor any of the things. But like it is obviously like there is some community which is bigger than other communities. It may pressurize you. It may do.
To all the people who don't know me, I'm basically Telugu, but I'm from Chennai, so I know Tamil as well. But I've stayed in I'm just telling you, like I've been very diversified, so it's not that I'm partial towards one community or something like that. One thing I would want to have is you know, probably like how when I go to Colvin Center and student union centers and everything, they have a lot of counselors and, you know, people like that where you can just go to them and talk to them, right? I would want, like, you know, someone like that who is very matured and very professional. If someone like that, and ISA board can have, people, whoever has, like, you know, problem, if you went to student union and, you know, if you face something like that, you can just go to that person and, you know, talk about your conflicts and everything, and that person can come and tell the board members, and the board members could probably put such issues on Facebook and, you know, try to reduce such things. I mean, I feel like, see, there are professors, the professor's wife, you know, they are at home, they can be really good and, you know, stuff like that. They can be a counselor, they can be counselors, yeah.
That is
So-
good. Good point.
Rupesh.
Okay, I heard from many of my seniors that most of the guys, they went around the houses and they sell books to raise the funds. So, as a female, how would you fill this gap? Like, you got to
But
raise the funds.
I can go to different houses and
Like,
sell books.
that's alright. Like,
Was that
what I
a
mean is,
sexist
like,
question?
Exactly.
This is so sexist question.
Even for campaigning, I went door to door, like, just because I'm a female.
It's not like that. There needs a lot of physical effort, right? We
Yeah,
should be able to handle
She
that.
can do it. She can do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Trust me, the girl is very.
Do you have any questions on that?
That is a sexist question.
I'd like
to say that question
Any other
to
questions?
support her, yesterday night at 12:30 they came to our apartment.
No,
for
I'm
campaign.
just want to.
Just being a bunch of girls, it does not mean they cannot come anywhere at any time.
Any other questions for Chandana Naidu? Vidya.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Okay, last question. That's it.
Wait, I didn't
No,
ask.
last two questions.
You have a question?
I think of a question.
Oh, I'm thinking too. Okay, let's say fall, time commitment, lots of events, and assuming you become president and let's say you're graduating, because I'm guessing even if you stay till spring, you won't have very many courses in the springtime. How will you manage it all? What is your plan of action? Because you already know how fall was for you last year.
Yeah.
You know,
See,
what are you thinking?
Okay, last fall was my first semester and I was just getting used to the system and everything. I don't know how, you know, I could go about it. Now I know, like, you know, how I can manage my schedule. And apart from that, if I have that responsibility of becoming a president, I'm pretty sure, like, you know, I would be that person. Like, I'm pretty sure, like, you know, I would be more responsible because I have so many things in my head. I can't just, like, let go of things and be like, okay, fine, you do this work, you do that work. If I have a responsibility, I would take care of it.
Yeah, I have a question. So let's say people think you're a potential cultural secretary and you still get elected as a president and you're both cultural secretary and president winner. So what would you choose?
Ooh, good one. That is nice. I didn't think about that. Yeah.
President?
Definitely president.
Any more questions, guys?
Then I have another follow-up question I can ask. Let's say you're the president and you're good at making friends, but everyone is not as good as you, let's suppose, and they don't make friends with you. And what if everyone starts quitting when you need them most? What would you do?
I would see, like, that's...
You can't convince them, they're not coming back.
Okay. I would probably... See, for supporting, you always have your friends to support.
Yeah.
That is a secondary thing. Like, you know, your friends are going to support if people are, like, you know, it's such an emergency situation. Apart from that, like, I feel if I become the
Call them
president...
in. I think we're done. Can you call them in?
Let her finish.
Yeah.
No, that's fine. You can. That's fine.
Yeah, you can. They've been waiting for now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, if I become the president, like that, I would want to, like, you know, add few more posts where I could have backup options. They're not going to be a part of the board, but then at such emergency situations, they can come into, you know, that role and. do
So
their
let me
job.
tell you, as a president, you have the power to hire anyone for any post you want. You can make the post whatever you want. If someone leaves, you can fill the post with anyone you want.
So if I am.
You can
like,
elect anyone by yourself.
Yeah, that's what. If I'm
Yeah,
gonna
but-
like quit in December, I can just. put
You can
someone-
make the vice president the president.
Any more questions, guys? You have a question?
Can we go?
Was this predetermined question?
No, not at all.
Just asking, you can ask. Yeah.
It's a repetitive question that we asked previous guy. Suppose you have to get some money from treasurer and the cultural secretary is not there and he's not giving you the money. So what would you do?
I would. It was written in the document that, you know, you have all the responsibilities of every board member. So I'm pretty sure the treasurer would also, like, I think.
Who has the last question?
Yeah, don't let
No,
me
I'm just
down.
looking. You can answer. I'm just looking. Take your time.
Doesn't.
Can I stop recording? My hand's already on.
She's already answered. She said